Okay, everybody, I don't know what time of the year it is for you over there. I don't know when this thing will post, but for us it's Thanksgiving, and for this Thanksgiving I kept seeing these meter thermostats all over Facebook and everything else, so I decided I'd give it a try. So basically what it is, it's a Bluetooth thermostat or thermometer for while you're cooking, so you can monitor your meats and that kind of stuff. So in the box we get some documentation itself, and then the actual probe. So when you first open it, if you pop open the back, you pull out the little tab. It's got a battery there to recharge the thermostat itself. Inside the block itself, it has some diodes to charge. So when you first get it, it says charge it for about 2 hours. Also on the back, it is magnetic, so it will stick to whatever cooking service that you're going for. So let's go ahead and I've already downloaded the app. I've already cooked with it a couple times, but I'm getting ready to start the turkey. And the app has its own kind of recipes and stuff. So I'm going to try to follow the turkey recipe that's on the app for our Thanksgiving dinner. So let's go get started. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and follow the directions here. Like I said, we're getting ready for a turkey dinner here. So first thing that it's saying is preheat the oven to 425, which we've done. So we'll go ahead and hit next. Move giblets, already done that. Already dried. Tearing. Put butter under the skin. Butter on the outside. Salt and pepper. Lemon. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and butter this bad boy up. Okay, so as you can see, what this app shows us is the next step is cooking for 30 minutes. The internal temperature is 43 degrees. Our target temperature is 165. And the temperature inside the stove is currently 91 degrees. And it's telling us to wait. So we'll wait until the next step. Okay, so we're a little bit more through the cook now. And basically what we're showing here is it's updated its cooking time, so we can see in the center that it shows it as 1 hour and 24 minutes remaining. If we hit that, you can see how long it's been cooking for. And you have two different displays here. You'll have this speedometer looking one, and then you'll have this gauge here, which kind of just shows everything out. So it definitely does some pretty cool things. And also, I don't think it's linking up properly right now, but let me see here. So also on your Apple Watch, it will show you what is left. So if you have stuff that cooks in phases, your Apple Watch will go off. And you can set these little timers on here. So this one has a timer every 20 minutes, currently at 11 minutes, telling us when to baste the turkey again. It'll also let you know 5 minutes before the cook is going to end and your estimated ready time. But you can put additional custom stuff in there. So it's definitely pretty cool. So yeah, you can either click on those recipes and follow the recipe that they give you, or you can just literally say what cut of meat that you're using, which I don't know if we can. So you can literally just say what type of meat that you're cooking or whatever you're taking the temperature of. And it'll give you the USDA guidelines for those, and you can select, if I want it well done, medium, or whatever the case may be. So yeah, it works pretty amazing. So I know that's kind of a short video, but got a lot of stuff going on today, obviously, for Thanksgiving. So I love the things that I love about it. I love the bamboo charging case that it comes with, and the fact that it's magnetic is great. And I love that it charges on a AA battery. You know how much I hate when either things aren't a USB-C or it's some kind of weird battery. This one is definitely not that case, so definitely appreciative of that. The only things that I am not a fan of is, so not thinking about it, when I was cooking the ham, I had put the probe in, wrapped it all up tight in aluminum foil, and then put it in the oven. And about 20 minutes later, I realized that, oh crap, the Bluetooth signal can't get out from the aluminum foil. So it would be nice if they had kind of like maybe a wired probe that could go into the base station. So in case if you wanted to keep something tightly wrapped in aluminum foil, because if not, you kind of got to like stab through the aluminum foil into the meat for you to be able to pick up the signal, which isn't a big deal, but I really wasn't thinking about it when I cooked that ham, so it kind of messed me up. The other thing that would be nice, and I know they've got different models, so an upgraded model might have it, but if it could connect to the Wi-Fi so you could see it on your phone that way. So right now it's via Bluetooth connection, so you only have so much range. So if I was grilling outside, I don't know how well I'd pick up the signals inside if the lid's closed and everything else. So if you could connect your base station to your Wi-Fi and connect it through the Wi-Fi on your phone, that would be most ideal, I think. I know you're not supposed to leave the house while you're cooking something in the oven, but if I run to the store, I can't see like how much time's left on my bake or anything like that, because it's a Bluetooth connection. If I go too far, I'll lose it. But other than that, that's going to do it for this review. If you have any questions about the probe, please put that down in the comment section below, and I'll answer it to the best of my ability. Got something yelling at me. And if there's anything in particular that you'd like to see reviewed on this channel, please put that down in the comment section also, and we'll try to get our hands on it and get it reviewed for you. Other than that, happy Thanksgiving, even though I know it's not Thanksgiving for you, but we'll see you next time. Bye.